Okay, so after logging in to the process logbook system, the user can use the menu bar above to select a logbook entry, and they're taken to a screen that looks something similar to this. Again, it's all based on configuration, but the user can then select any areas that that user has permission. And then the element, think of elements as equipment, but they could be rooms, they could be basically any object that you want to log something against. And then the associated form to that, and then the reason code. So you can have a single reason code for a form, or there's cases in a operations facility they have several reason codes for either consumption or trash or discarded. So again, that'll all be taken care of in the configuration section. But for now, we just want to show everybody in this short video how operations personnel would make a logbook entry electronically. So through a PC, desktop, laptop, an iPad, or an Android tablet, they would get to this screen, and then they have either the heat map to drill down through these breadcrumbs, or they can use the breadcrumbs themselves. We're going to use the heat map for this video, and again, we'll just select DSI Office. That seems to be hot, with the demos going on. So we'll select DSI Office. That's our area. The element we'll do is a down day at the DSI Office, and then the form will be the down day startup form, and then of course we've got our single reason code down day startup. So we will just fill these in, and again, I'll kind of explain this, and in the configurator you'll see all the screen options you have, but we'll just go ahead and answer these questions, and then we will electronically sign these. I have username, password saved for the benefit of going through this video very quickly, but again, you could turn that off so that each person has to actually do their e-signature, type their username and password completely out. Okay, let's keep going through this. We'll answer this particular form for a down day. We'll sign. As you can see, from an operations standpoint, it's very easy to use. It has almost the look and feel of a phone application, which means you're touching and authorizing. You're just not. You could set your forms up so they're not very verbose, and you can gather information quickly. The nice thing is you're getting the time date stamp here. You're not relying on operations personnel to put time and dates on paper. The database is taking care of that for you. We'll just continue down this. Okay. Again, we're just, as you can see, if I was on a tablet, this would be very, very quick to get information in. Okay. And then down day start. And we'll go ahead and sign that. As you can see, I had drop-down boxes and a text box on this particular form. And again, once you have the system installed, you can create as many forms as you like. This is just a particular one. That's the best part of it, is you can create these forms without having to worry about having a programmer on staff. Once this is installed by DSI, your admins at your facility can set up forms for different areas and create users assigned to different areas, so that you can control access to. Let's do again, just to show you that this section needs to be completed before we go to the next section. Again, that's a feature of the groups, and we'll go ahead and do that. This is a demo, and we'll go ahead and submit this form. And as you can see, once we submit this form, here we are on the 17th of May. You can see that entry was put in, and if we scroll down here, there's all the answers to my form. And we're going to, in the configuration section, we're going to go ahead and change these field names so that when I'm harvesting data from the database, I can do analytics on different form fields and answers and stuff like that. If I so want to, the logbook database allows me to do that. Okay, well, thank you for viewing this video on a logbook entry, and I look forward to seeing you on the next videos.